shine, grinding day and night, staring at the ceiling light. I'm my own blight, a shrike of the mind, and I look behind, only to see me dragging my feet. And in my head all I see is the dread.
Cause I am you,
in my eyes all I see
are the dead men walking the streets.
Why can't you get away from me?
They'll never cease. The restless, will they ever be at peace? The decrease of a proper release. Will I ever be at peace? Will I ever be at peace? And should it be the least of my concerns? Does it take turns? Does it always burn?